What? Okay, just drive past him, Kevin. Just keep driving so he doesn't pull you over or something. What the hell? Oh, oh, oh. He's yeah, shift 3. What is this? Is he genuinely trying to drive? What is this? Uh, he says, "Wow, I won." Oh. Oh my god. Go get a car for us so we can follow him. Where is he going? How are you supposed to know what direction he's going? Alright, keep following him. Keep following him. Alright, yeah, I see 3 dots over there. Pirate, stop. Alright, I'm muting him. Wherever he went, I'm muting him. Alright. Yeah, I see you guys. Nope. Nope. Oh! Hold on, make sure you get like a good angle of his license plate. Yeah. If these 2 guys are in the VC, pull off to the side so I can get up behind it. What the fuck? 306. Oh. Oh. What? It's 306. I got it on mine. Oh, we got him trapped. Oh, he popped. I don't know. All right, I'm done following him. I gotta end this.